Welcome to Trusted Maritime Recruiting. Safety Reviewer. Always remember, safety first is a rule. Reliability, accuracy, and efficiency. Help, protection, and care. I.S.M, Part 2. Maritime Labor Convention, MLC, 2006. On-board complaint handling procedures synopsis. Please note, the below mentioned are an example. 1. Name of ship, MV Grand Celebration, IMO number 8,314,134, flag, Bahamas. 2. Person or persons, rank or position, on board the ship are authorized to provide seafarers with confidential and impartial advice on a complaint, and otherwise assist in the following onboard complaint procedures. This person could be someone in the department. A. Head of the Crew Welfare Fund. B. Any other crewman, officer, staff, or other, to which the individual feels comfortable. 3. Contacts information of the person or persons ashore, designated by the ship owner, for handling onboard complaints. A. Contact person, Vice President Quality, DPA, Krzysztof Kensky. B. His telephone number, office number, or mobile number. C. His email address. Contact information for the appropriate flag is below. Flag Administration and External Authorities. Details, Bahamas. Bahamas Maritime Authority, London. 5. Seafarers with a complaint shall have the ability to have the mailer addressed by bringing it to the attention of the proper authority on board, as provided below. A. Superior Officer. B. Department Head. C. Master. 6. Seafarers have the right to be represented during the complaint procedure, and shall not be victimized. 7. Complaints shall be sought to be resolved at the lowest level possible, and only when the matter cannot be resolved to the satisfaction of both panics, shall it be elevated to the next level. 8. Notwithstanding number 7 above, seafarers shall have the right to complain directly to the master, and where they consider it necessary, to the ship owner, or to the appropriate flag state, or other external authorities. Seafarers will have a maximum of 5 days from the date of the alleged occurrence of the labor grievance, complaint, to bring the matter to the seafarer's superior officer, department head, or the master, each of whom will have 5 days period in which to solve the matter provided this time is appropriate to the seriousness of the complaint. 10. If the master is unable to resolve the matter within the specified time frame, he will forward it to the company's Vice President of Quality, DPA, for action. However, if the complaint may be to the prejudice of the master, the seafarer may complain directly to the ship owner, in other words, company DPA. 11. The ship owner and the seafarer concerned shall have a period of 20 days from there, to bring about reconciliation. 12. If after 20 days the matter has not been conciliated, then either party shall have an additional 20 days to bring the matter for mediation to the appropriate flag administration, or their representatives, to decide upon a solution to the matter satisfactorily to all parties. Lifting do's and don'ts. Do lift as a team. Do lift bulky or heavy loads as a team. Doing so is smart and a safe way to work. Do turn with legs. Do move your legs and feet when turning or lowering the load. Avoid twisting at your waist. Do use your legs. Do lift the load using your powerful legs and buttocks muscles. Your feet should be wide apart, head and back upright. Keep abdominal muscles tight, and the load in close. Do use equipment. Do use equipment like hand truck, dollies, or forklifts, to do the heavy lifting. It's much less work and less risk of injury. Don't lift bulky loads alone. Don't lift bulky or heavy loads alone. Doing so puts great stress on your low back muscles and spine. Don't twist when lifting. Don't twist when lifting, lowering or carrying any loads, as this increases your risk of back injury. Don't use your back. Don't lift the loads with your rear end high and your lead low. Use your leg muscles, not your weak or low back muscles. Don't lift heavy loads. Don't lift heavy loads when you can use equipment. It is less work, and less stress on your low back. First aid procedures. Bleeding. Apply direct pressure. Elevate the injured area. Cover with compression bandage. Chocking. Signs of chocking. The casualty has hands clutching his or her throat, unable to breathe or talk. The face, skin, lips, and nails are turning blue. Perform abdominal thrusts, Heimlich maneuver. 1. Stand behind the casualty, wrap your arms around the waist. 2. Make a fist with one hand. Position it just above the belly button. 3. Grab the fist with the other hand. Press hard into the abdomen, with a quick inward and upward thrust. 4. Repeat the abdominal thrusts, until the food or foreign object gets dislodged. Burns. Stop the source of the burning. Cool the burn with running water. Cover the burn with sterile bandage or clean cloth. Fractures. Support the injured area. Immobilize by using splant. Apply ice and elevate the affected limb. Sprains. Rest the injured area. Apply ice and elastic bandage. Elevate the injured area. CPR. Check H, C, A, B. H, hazard, make sure the scene is clear of hazards, before attempting to rescue. H, hello, check responsiveness, tap both shoulders. H, help, call the bridge, dial the ship's assigned telephone number, activate code blue, give your location. C, circulation, check the carotid pulse within 5 to 10 seconds. If no pulse, start chest compression and ventilation. 30 to 2, use CPR mask if available. A, airway, tilt the head, lift the chin, clear any obstructions in the nose and mouth. B, breathing, place your cheek near the casualty's nose and mouth, and feel for the exchange of air, while observing the rise and fall of the abdomen. Eye injures. Don't rub the eye. Flush the eye with clean water, or eye wash solution. Protect eye from irritants. Shock. Help casualty to lie down. Elevate the legs about 12 inches. Keep casualty warm and comfortable. Company quality, safety, health, and environmental protection policy. Anglo-Eastern CMI Ship Management has established and implemented a documented quality, safety, health, and environmental management system. QSE is committed to complying with the, where applicable, requirements of the following. Quality Management System, ISO 9001, 2008. International Management Safety Code, I.S.M. Code, 2010. Environmental Management System, ISO 14001, 2004. Maritime Label Convention, MLC 2006. Anglo-Eastern CMI Ship Management has established this QSHE policy with the goal of being recognized as the industry's preferred passenger ship management company. Anglo-Eastern CMI Ship Management will ensure the safe and efficient operation of the ships under its management, conduct investigations of shipboard hazardous occurrences, audits, and inspection findings to prevent recurrence, prevent injuries or loss of life, prevent and avoid damage to the environment and the property, assess all the associated risks to its ships, personnel, and the environment, and establishing appropriate safeguards, emphasizing health protection and accidents prevention measures beyond minimum safety and occupational health legal requirements, identifying potential emergency situations, and establishing contingency plans to employ in such events. Comply fully with all company, flag state, port state, and classification societies rules and regulations. Apply where applicable recognized industry standards and best practices. Maintain the ship's material condition at a high level of readiness to prevent off-hire days or operational losses. Ensure its managed vessels are operated in accordance with applicable national and international recognized maritime legislations. Make every effort to establish appropriate safeguards to conserve and protect the environment from any form of pollution. Enhancing client satisfaction through the establishment and review of company performance metrics. To implement the Anglo-Eastern CMI Ship Management Policy, the undersigned commits the company to the following. Employ in the shore organization, and onboard ships only competent, qualified, and medically fit personnel, who can implement the company policies, and adhere to the operation procedures. Provide training and professional development, including environmental awareness training, to improve knowledge and proficiency of shoreside and shipboard personnel. Provide adequate resources to allow personnel to comply with the provisions of this policy. Maintain a documented quality, safety, health, and environmental management system throughout the organization. Maintain through a preventive maintenance system the ship's machinery, system and equipment, in accordance with manufacturers' recommendations, company requirements, and the vessel's classification society. Ensure that commercial decisions never override safety considerations. Operate within the highest ethical standards and integrity with all involved parties, internal and external to the company. Anglo-Eastern CMI Ship Management is committed to providing quality management services in the shipping management industry, specifically providing quality service in all facets of vessel management, including operational, technical, hotel, commercial, and administrative. Recognizing all of our business activities as expressions of quality. Being responsive and understanding to our customers and employees, reviewing our performance against our customers' expectations, and taking appropriate actions towards continual improvement. Responsibility is taken by the highest level of management to ensure all company policies are upheld in regard to quality, safety, health, and environmental protection, and governing standards. This is established by the company's certification in the I.S.M. code, ISO standards, a program of scheduled audits, inspections, and interactive management meetings. Trusted maritime recruiting. As an agent to Anglo-Eastern CMI Ship Management. Please give us a like, click on subscribe, share our videos, and wait for our coming ones.